In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a laugh in ElevenLabs fast and easy. If you're looking to add a touch of humor or just a bit of liveliness to your text-to-speech projects, incorporating laughter is a great way to do it. Let's delve into some easy steps to make your content more engaging. First, start by having your script or text ready. Whenever you want to inject a bit of laughter, simply type words like haha or hehe at a natural spot in your dialogue. It's crucial to make sure that these expressions feel organic and not forced. This simple addition can create an easy and effective way to bring smiles to your audience, enriching the overall mood and message of your content. Next, you'll want to choose a playful voice that aligns with the tone of your script. In ElevenLabs, there are various voice options available, each with distinct personalities. Picking a voice with a light-hearted and joyful tone will enhance the humorous element you're aiming for. When selecting a voice, imagine how you want the laughter to sound. Perhaps gentle and subtle, or exuberant and boisterous, depending on your desired effect. Experiment with different voices until you find the one that perfectly embodies the spirit and humor of your project. Now let's move on to refining how the laugh itself is portrayed. You can use symbols such as angle brackets to add nuance to your laughter. For instance, typing or can help to indicate the kind of laugh you're aiming for, whether it's a soft chuckle or a big belly laugh. This customization allows for more expressive and dynamic delivery, making it fun and engaging for your audience. Consider the mood of the entire piece as you decide which type of laughter to use, ensuring it complements the surrounding text. After you've inserted your perfect laugh and selected an appropriate voice, it's time to generate the audio. Listen to the outcome to ensure it meets your expectations. If the timing feels off or doesn't sync well with your script, don't hesitate to make adjustments. Tweak the timing of the laughter, shorten or extend pauses as needed, and fine-tune the flow to make sure it fits seamlessly with the rest of your dialogue. Sometimes, small adjustments can make a considerable difference in achieving natural-sounding audio. That's all there is to it. With these straightforward steps, you can quickly and easily add laughter to your text-to-speech projects in ElevenLabs. Not only does this improve the overall quality and enjoyment of your content, but it also ensures a memorable experience for your listeners. Happy creating, and may the sound of laughter enrich